Okay, so we're kind of seeing GBPCHF shape up on this fib right here. This could be a very, very beautiful play. One of the things I want to point out as well is GBP is it's kind of showing similar setups on some of the other pairs. A little bit here, but I don't like it. It's not as clean. It was kind of an abrupt stop. I didn't even draw it in. Let me draw it in this time. We're talking about something like this. This is also a 382 play. It's just not as clean. I have a it's kind of more abrupt start stop type of situation versus when we look at CHF, we see like a beautiful swoop downwards, even stutter step here, which is nice to see. That's the first leg, so it looks like we're on a bigger leg here. So it's one, two, three. This is the third leg technically. This little pullback is a leg itself. So, anyways, we're pulling back up and probably going to react somewhere in here is what I'm expecting. Hourly chart. This is what I wrote in the other post that I accompanied this one with. Is this MACD looks like it's losing steam. It doesn't look like something that's going to continue to go upwards. So if I draw this in, you're just going to kind of see it's slightly sloping downward, slightly, very, very slightly. Um, So that's a good sign for running out of steam, so to speak, on the 4 hour, excuse me. Just gonna see how this one's set up. A lot the same. Kind of broke this 200 pretty easily. We'll see what happens. I did want to kind of see where the 50 is. The 50 is in support, so we got plenty of room to pull back down and make some decent gains there. Anyways, just wanted to make a video for this. I'm going to be watching this one really closely today. All right, peace.